Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I'm back with a hair tutorial. So I want to show you guys how I create a fuller, more symmetrical type bob. So I do have my hair cut into like a lob, like a long type of bob. It's not really short, but I mean, it's not super long either, but I cut it myself. But I noticed that the front of my hair is not as even as the back, so I definitely want to add a few tape ends to create just a very symmetrical type of look. So I have here some tape ends, and this is 18-inch wavy tape ends from Studio Techlo. I really love their products. I have clip-ins from them. I have a wrap ponytail from them that I did a video on. I think I have a clip-in video too, so I have one of them up here for you guys to see. But I love their hair products. They make a lot of stuff for girls that want to still wear their hair like their natural hair, but like to enhance it. So yeah, I love that company for that, and I'll have all of the details and everything below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I make beauty, lifestyle, luxury, fashion type content, so if that's your thing, then click the button below. But yeah, so I'm going to be adding a few of these tape ends, and disclaimer, I am not recommending that you do this at home. I am doing it at home. I've been doing my own hair since I was a child, basically like 7-8 years old. So I know my hair. I research, I study. Hair is my passion. Yeah, all the things. So hair is just my thing. So I know how to, I still press my hair, I cut my hair, everything. Hair is my thing. So if hair is not your thing, I would not recommend that you do this at home. I would recommend that you go to a licensed professional in your city. But if you do want to do this at home, I'm not telling you to, but I'm just going to show you how I do it at home. So that is my little disclaimer, because the tape ends, if you take them out or if you put them in wrong, it can pull your hair out. It is a more safer style when it's done correctly. So it's basically just this blue thing. It's like paper, and it comes off, and there is a sticky adhesive right here. So you sandwich your hair, a small amount of your hair, in between the two, and you kind of push it together, and then it adheres to your hair, so it creates a strand in between, around your hair. So that is what tape ends are. Like I said, I am not a licensed professional. I've seen it done a lot of times. I've looked it up on YouTube. I've watched some stylists do it. So I think I can do it on my own. But like I said, I do not recommend if you do not know what you're doing. So yeah, so what I have here are the tape ends. I have a flat iron. I have some hair clips and a comb. So I'm only going to add a few. Like I said, I just want to make my bob even. Like you can see right here, like it stops and it doesn't go all the way down, which is not a problem. Like if I wanted to wear my hair like this, I could, but I just want to get like that super blunt bob look. So I'm going to start with parting my hair. So I'm probably going to start a little above my ear and just make a straight part. And the thing with the tape ends is you want to make sure your part is super straight. So let me zoom you guys in. So I have a part, let me make sure it is super straight. And I'm only going to be putting the tape ends on the sides. I'm going to take one of the tapes, take this little blue film off. And here is the adhesive. I'm going to put my flat iron on it just a little bit to kind of make it more sticky. And then just lay the tape right at the root. You don't want to do it like on your root, but like a little bit below it. And so I'm just making sure that it is tacky. Then I'm going to take another tape. I hope you can see that. And then exactly where you laid that tape, you want to section right under it, like part off a little teeny piece of your hair with that tape in. Just a little piece. And then you want to sandwich it together. And it should look like this. And the stylist that I watched, she has like this clamping tool. I wish I would have got that, just to kind of make sure that the sandwiches are like really tight together. But I've also seen a flat iron being used to do that too, so I'm going to do that. Just to make sure everything is sealed. I have like a strand of hair right here, and I'm going to cut it to make sure that it's even and everything, but I'll show you how beautifully this hair straightens. And I'll probably do like maybe 5 on each side. So I'm going to create another part and just basically do the same thing until I get to my middle part. And I'm not putting it really close to my edges because I still want that to look really natural. Like I still want to be able to do baby hair. If I want to tuck it behind my ear, I still want to be able to do that. So I'm not doing it too close to my edges. Okay, so that is it for this side. I'm going to finish this side and I'm going to come back and show you how I make everything even, how I cut it and everything. So right now I'm really loving it. It doesn't feel like there's anything. It's flat, no pulling, no tugging. If I do like this, you can't see it. Yeah, very impressive, very. So yeah, I'll come back and I'll show you this other side. Okay, so they are in. I'm loving it, Oh, I put on like this little strapless bra so that you can actually see the length of the bob and how I'm cutting it. So yeah, I just went in like flat ironed a little bit more of my hair just to make sure everything is sleek. I hope my part is straight. It's not, is it? I don't think so. Let me just straighten this part. Okay, I think that's better. And then we're going to get to cutting. So I'm just going to take my comb and kind of measure where I want it to go. And you could even do like a little asymmetrical type thing, but I think I just want it all one length. So I'm going to measure where I have this part. And like I said, I'm no professional. And then I'm just going to kind of cut at an angle. Yeah. Did I just mess that up? Let's see. No, I don't think I messed it up. Oh yeah. Yes. And I'm gonna go in and clean it up too, but this is exactly how I wanted it. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, so let me go in and kind of clean it up some more. I know there is a hairstylist watching me cringing right now. Yeah, that's better. You see that, Bobbiana? Yes! Yeah, that's perfect. Let me go ahead and measure the rest. I am so satisfied. Yes, yes. So, as you can see, it is not choppy. I have a bob. I have a bob. I'm so happy. So let's do this side. Let's pray that it comes out the same way. I feel like this side is not as even. Is it? No, it's not. But I mean, hey, she's got a lob. So I know you guys had asked in one of my other tutorials to see the back. All this hair. So I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully the back looks good. Let me see. And yeah, so I have a bob. A lob. A long bob, and it's even. If you could see the before, maybe I'll put it right here somewhere. But yeah, it's perfect. And I can put my hair up. If I want to throw it in a ponytail, I still can. But yeah, so this is my little hair tutorial with tape-ins, just kind of enhancing the bob that I already had. And I love it. I might do like a review just to see how long it holds up. I think it's supposed to last for like 6 to 8 weeks or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I'm loving it. Look how it moves. Like, yes. This might be my new go-to thing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.